Today, I'll be teaching you how to make tofu, also known as awara, in a simple way. First, I pour my soya beans into a bowl and add enough water. I soak it for about 7 hours. After soaking, you will notice that the beans are swelling and soft. Next, I pour the soya beans into a blender and add enough water. I let the water be above the beans and blend it very well. After blending, I place a cheesecloth inside a bowl and pour the cheese inside the cheesecloth and sieve out the milk. As you can see, then I pour the soya milk into a pot and put it on the fire to boil. While it is boiling, I add pap water so that the cheese can form on top. I allow it to cook and carefully watch it for about 30 minutes. As you can see it now, you will see that the cheese is already on top. Then I pour it back into the cheesecloth and sieve it very well until the water drains completely. If you like, you can press it immediately or place something heavy on it to help remove the water. Then our tofu is ready. So you can cut it into your desired size and fry it. Store it in the freezer or add it to your stew, however you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment where you are watching from, and share with others. Thanks for watching.